Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing a really cute one, which is a lop-eared bunny rabbit. So get yourself some plain white paper, you'll need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen. That's all that you're going to need. And don't forget, if you like drawing animals, you can download my free PDF of how to draw horse galloping, which you will find in the link just here. So let's get started. Okay, so step one, start off with a nice oval just towards the top half of the page. Don't press too hard, I'm just pressing hard so that you can see it on camera. This is going to be our preparatory drawing. So there's a nice big oval there. We're then going to add a diamond shape just here. So just draw a simple diamond shape, just like that. Draw a line coming down from the diamond shape and a little fork at the bottom. Now we're just going to draw another oval here, and that's going to be the eye. Okay, now we're going to draw an upside down triangle. So just draw a line coming across like this, and then we'll draw a line coming down like so. It's not a perfect triangle because it's got a flat part here, and then just draw a line coming up like this. Okay, now draw another line coming down and round like that, and then the same on this side, down and round, and these are going to be the little feet down the bottom, a little foot there and a little foot there. And then the lop ears, so one ear coming all the way down like this. Remember, if I go too quickly, please just pause the video and rewind. And then the other lop ear coming round the back there. Okay, so step two, we're going to be adding a little bit more detail. So let's just make this a little bit more realistic. We're going to start off with some little furry lines just going upwards, and then we're going to do some more furry lines just to show the top of the head. So it comes round, you'll see it'll start to take shape. So we're just going to erase this preparatory line here because it's getting in the way. Goodbye, don't need you anymore. Okay, and this one here, there we go. We're going to follow the line of what we did before. So I'm going to do some furry lines around here, comes inwards and like that. Now we're going to make the ear look a little bit more realistic. So continuing with these furry lines, make the ear come down, round and up, just like this. And we'll get rid of these preparatory lines while we're at it. Okay. Now we're just going to make the eye look a little bit more realistic. So get rid of that oval. And the shape is like this. It's got lovely, beautiful lashes. So rabbits have really nice long eyelashes, if I can say that properly. Comes round, and then the eye. And remember just to leave a little area not coloured in, just to show the reflection of light. So all this area is going to be coloured in, just like that. Okay, now let's get rid of this harsh diamond shape because we're going to make that a little bit softer, a little bit cuter. So a shape like that for one side of the nose, shape like that for the other side. Just go up like that. Okay, and then go around the side like that, down, and then the little mouth. And then this mouth, just carry on just very lightly and just bring it round like that. And then this one goes underneath there, and we can get rid of this other preparatory line and the other ear. Okay, are you with me? Keep going, you're doing really, really well. So go round and go under. All right, so we're gonna finish off the face. So these really big chubby cheeks come around like this. Next, we're going to get rid of this line. Goodbye line. Okay, and we're going to be drawing the little paws. So starting from here, come all the way down till you get about here. And then it will come up, and the same on this side. So this is all fluffy fur, just like this. We're going to get rid of the bottom part of this triangle. There we go. And then we're going to draw some little paws down here. And then the same on the other side. Just like that. I'm just going to make this part just come out a little bit more because it's a little bit more fluffy than how I've drawn it. There we go, that looks a lot better. And then the same on this side as well. Rabbit's a bit more fluffy, isn't it? There we go. It's a lot better now. All right, so we're going to get rid of these preparatory lines at the back. And that one. Just erase it enough just so that you can still see. I can still make out where it was, so it can still help me. More fluffy lines. And these are going to be the hind legs. Just poking out. And then some little paws here. Fluffy little paws. Just like that. And then the same on the other side. There we go. So this one starts a bit higher, comes out. There we go. Nice and furry. And then a little foot. Little paw, I mean, coming out. Just like so. And last but not least, we're going to add the other ear, which is poking out on this side. Okay, now all that's left is to go over it in pen. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit. So there's our finished rabbit drawing. Only thing left to do is to add some whiskers. So I'm just using a finer pen, just add a few whiskers on either side. And a few little ones up here. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the tutorial, please hit subscribe and like. And if you've got any requests whatsoever, pop them in the comment section below and I'll add them to my list. Thank you very much and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.